In every corner of the world, people proclaim with confidence, Jesus is alive. But how can we understand this powerful statement? Is it only a matter of faith, or does reason also support it? Today, let's explore both the scientific perspective and the theological truth behind the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Historically, Jesus of Nazareth was crucified under Roman rule around 33 AD. His death is not only recorded in the Bible, but also mentioned by historians like Josephus and Tacitus. There is no serious historical doubt that Jesus died on the cross. The real question is, what happened afterward? 3 days later, the tomb was found empty. Roman soldiers could not explain it. The Jewish leaders could not deny it. And the disciples, once fearful and hiding, suddenly became bold witnesses, even willing to die for their testimony that Jesus had risen. From a scientific standpoint, the resurrection challenges natural laws. Science teaches us that dead bodies do not spontaneously return to life. But science also recognizes the limits of natural laws. For example, quantum physics shows us that reality is far more mysterious than we once thought. The resurrection is not the breaking of laws, it is the intervention of a higher law, the divine law of the Creator, who is not bound by the same limits as His creation. Even biology gives us hints. Life itself is sustained by energy, by breath, by something beyond mere matter. When scientists study consciousness, they still cannot fully explain what makes us alive. Could it be that life is more than chemical reactions, that it is a gift from God? If so, then the one who gives life can restore it, as He did for Jesus. Theologically, the resurrection is the cornerstone of the Christian faith. The Apostle Paul declared, "If Christ has not been raised, our faith is useless." 1 Corinthians 15:14. But because He lives, death is defeated, sin is overcome, and eternal life is possible. Jesus Himself said, "I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live even though they die." John 11:25. The evidence of the resurrection is not only historical, but also experiential. Millions testify to lives transformed by their encounter with the risen Christ. Addictions broken, hope restored, forgiveness received, and love overflowing. These are living proofs that Jesus is alive today. Science tells us that life is mysterious. History tells us the tomb was empty. Theology tells us that God raised His Son. And faith tells us that Jesus still lives in the hearts of those who believe. The resurrection is not only an event of the past, it is a reality of the present and a promise for the future. Jesus is alive, not only in history, not only in theology, but alive forevermore. Thank you.